How to fix Play Store reopening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store reopening on Android phone. First, now click settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, or you can just type here apps and you will find it, and here you will find it, app settings, and then click apps. Now just scroll down until you find Google Play Store, or you can just type Google Play Store and click on it. Now just force stop and then go to storage, click clear cache and then go back, and now go to permissions and enable this one, storage, and then click Google Play Services and storage and clear cache. Now just go back and restart your phone and try again, and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.